Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within the MetaMask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device and then provide your biometrics or your password to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, in order to change the language, just tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the first option where it says General. Now within the General tab, just look within the third menu and you will see a drop-down option. If you tap on this drop-down, you will now see the various different languages that are supported by the MetaMask application. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to change into, and this language will now be applied right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want by tapping on the gear icon, going into the first menu, and then changing the second drop-down option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the MetaMask wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.